Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build sales funnels with ClickFunnels, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start building a sales funnel with ClickFunnels, first, log in to your ClickFunnels account. Once you're inside, look for the Build Funnel button on your dashboard. Click on it to begin the process. You will then see a selection of funnel types. Choose the type of funnel you want to create based on your goal. For instance, if you want to generate leads, select Lead Capture Funnel. After selecting the funnel type, click on the Create Funnel button. Next, enter a name for your funnel in the designated field. You can also add a description if you wish, but it's optional. Click on the Build Funnel button to move on to the next step. Now, you'll see a series of pre-built templates for your funnel steps. Click on the step you want to edit. For example, if you chose a lead capture funnel, you'll start with the landing page. Select a template that resonates with your branding and purpose. Once you've chosen a template, click on Edit Page. You will be taken to the ClickFunnels editor. Here, you can customize the headline, subheadline, and images. Simply click on any element to edit its content. You can integrate email services by selecting the form settings. After customizing your page, click on the Save button at the top right corner. Next, return to your funnel dashboard. Add another step if needed, such as a thank you page. Follow the same process by selecting a template and editing the content. Once all steps are customized, focus on the funnel settings. Click on Settings at the top of your funnel dashboard. Review your funnel's URL and make any necessary adjustments. You can also set up tracking codes or SEO settings here. Before launching, click on the Preview option to see how your funnel looks. Make sure each step works seamlessly together. If satisfied, click on the Publish button to make your funnel live. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.